Alrighty guys, welcome back to another sweet video, and in this tutorial I want to talk to you guys about something called typecasting. Now typecasting is pretty much a way that you can temporarily change the data type of a variable. So you can pretty much turn floats into ints into floats, tomatoes into tomatoes, potatoes into potatoes. So let's make a quick program. Let's say that you own a pumpkin farm and you want to figure. Really, someone is freaking texting me. I'm gonna read this. Who is it? Oh, it's my mom. No, someone else. Oh, Buddy is going to Cracker Barrel later, and he want to know if I want to go. But I'm trying to make a tutorial about pumpkins here. So basically, you own a pumpkin farm, you sell pumpkins every day, and you want to figure out how much money you make on average each day. So let's go ahead and do that. So of course we're going to need a couple variables to store these values in. So float, average profit, and this pretty much is the end goal that we're going to be looking for. So in order to calculate that, price pumpkin. Alright, so we sell our pumpkins for, I don't know, how much does a pumpkin cost? 10 bucks maybe? So that's what that's going to be. Our int sales, how many pumpkins did we sell? 59. And of course int days worked, and we'll just set this equal to 7. We'll say we worked a full week, no days off, because we are the best pumpkin farm there is. So you might be like, okay, I know how to do this, no problem, Bucky, I don't even need to watch the tutorial. What you do is you pretty much take the price of pumpkin and then you multiply it by sales, and that's going to give you pretty much the total amount of money you made. And then I'm just going to go ahead and divide this baby by days worked, and that I think would give me the average amount of money I made per day. I mean, it looks pretty good right now, so let's see what happens. So printf, and we'll just put like a average daily profit, and of course it's a float, and we'll use the dollar sign, why not? So dollar sign, and then you put ampersand. Where you at, ampersand? And, or excuse me, not the ampersand, what the heck am I talking about? And percent sign, float, and since this is a dollar indeed, let's go ahead and use 0.2, because you know, it'll be like $1.50 or something, 2 decimal places. And of course the float that we want to use or output to the screen is average profit. Alright, so let's see how much money we make a day. Okay, so the average daily profit is $84. Okay, well, hold on a second. Let me just check something here. Calculator. You know, I have to verify this. I need to be very specific. So basically what I'm going to do is, okay, price of pumpkin, so that's the 10, and what do? You times that by sales, do you? So where's the times on this thing? So times 59, and then, okay, take that value and you divide it by 7, and whoa, what the heck is going on? This thing, the calculator that we made, is telling me 84, but this stupid thing, you know, I'm calling Microsoft, they might be wrong, because I know that this code is perfect. Well, check it out. The reason that this doesn't work as expected is because C doesn't have a very good time, or it's not very happy when you try to combine floats and ints together in equations. So it says, okay, if you're going to multiply stuff, make sure they're all the same data type, and also make sure that someone stops freaking texting me in my middle of the tutorial. Anyways, so in order to take these variables and convert them to floats, what you want to do is right before the variable name, add parentheses and type the data type that you want to convert it to. So now what this is going to do is it's temporarily going to change this price of pumpkin, which was an int, into a float. And again, it's not going to change it permanently. If you ever use it in your program again later on, it's still going to be an int. Just for this line and this line only, or this instance of the variable, it's going to be a float. Alright, so what else do we need to do? We need to convert sales to float and days work to float, because we want this average profit to be a float. So now let's go ahead, and now that everything is converted, we'll go ahead and run this and check it out. 84.29 That's what I'm talking about. We finally got that 29 cents that we worked our butts off for. So again, if you have something like this and you're converting them to floats all the time, then that probably means that you should have started with floats to begin with. This is really only for instances where you need to temporarily change it, only not throughout your whole program, only in one place or maybe two. So that is how you do that. Again, it's called typecasting. And oh crap, you know what? I gotta go work on my pumpkin. So well, I'll see you guys later. Actually, I'm going to Cracker Barrel. I'm not gonna lie. So anyways, I'll see you then.